asibaynyele laba izinja ziyakhala manje usho neshathele izikofu esezaqothuka la alikho nje phosa ngimise ekhole ngafuna imali alikho lelilodwa nje tsheno yimini lelilodwa nje ngithi ke kini ke baseningizimu Afrika ngikwazi ukungani update ngezinto ezenzakalayo kale ngihlangana noMarshal Dlamini namhlanje lapha ema-ofisini e-EFF uMarshal Dlamini unobhala jikelele we-EFF ku-national kuzwelonke okushuthi umbalula wakhona bahlukene ngokuphapha ke nje ukuthi akaphapha uMarshal umbalula uyaphapha lo we-ANC uyaphapha yaphapha nje yaphapha uzakhohlwa la age yakhe. So into enzakalayo ke la ukuthi ke what is important, EFF had proposed ukuthi kuzoba national shutdown kuzwelonke jikelele ukukhala ngalezi ekade ngikhuluma ezinye zazo unemployments enyuka ngendlela eyisimangaliso phinde futhi bayizokhalaza ngendaba ebaluleke kakhulu esishaya sonke kagesi shayisana imoto emarobotini ngenxa kagesi abantu bangena endlekweni ngenxa kagesi abantu bawela amabhizinisi ngenxa kagesi abantu bayadutshulwa enyameni babulawe ngenxa kagesi abantu baneyinkinga ezi-serious in their homes, they can't call their relatives, their families because abachajile azafa umuntu ngenxa kagesi. How many murders our government have caused in our society as a result of energy crisis in this country? Mingaki imndeni ezilile nebulewe ibulawa uhulumeni ophethwe uRamaphosa in this country ngenxa yokuthi ugesi kawukho those consequences happens as a result of ugesi awukho. Ama-fridge abola abantu bengadli bestafe begcina sebebeyontshontshwa bafuna ukuphila ngenxa yokuthi ugesi kawukho. We support all those things. As the president of the Prince Nation, I support all that. There must be some demonstrations that are happening in our country, showing exactly, speaking the language that our government hear better. Because uhulumeni wethu akayikho into akwaziwizwa ngaphandle kokuthi ninyaka zezinisukume nishiphe bese kunuka ke. Iyona language ayaziyo umsuzo, iyona language ayaziyo. Shiphani bafana, Suzani bafana, ayikhale. Ngithi ke mina bese kuzoba indaba yasephalaphala. Thabo Mbeki, I admire you, my president. I admire you speaking frankly, speaking consistently regarding Phalaphala and detailing it on details. Even yesterday, you were so superb. Thabo Mbeki, you're the leader. Thabo Mbeki, I admire you, my president. I admire you for staying frank, for speaking what we speak on the ground, and for making sure you don't lose the track and the momentum about your truthful, since you have once become our leader in our society. There was no declaration. It's an open secret. Indoda yale ishuthi iqamba ngayideclaranga le mali wathi unembeza kusho baba uThabo Mbeki wathi unembeza wethu nembeza womuntu ophilayo uyayibuza uyaconclude uyaqala uzakhele khona ukuthi ngempela kushuthi ukhona umuntu ongantanda nemali engaka ayayizwela ngaphandle hayi ngisho yalelizwe eziyogqishwa kusofa ebephethizwe. What, how can you report the crime to a criminal? So how can you report a crime to a criminal? Because automatically he is a criminal. He must step down and allow other leaders to lead. Yes, I'm available. Yes. Nkona. Ngapha discussion. We got the over-consulting leader. We got the over-consulting government leader. Nalaba bakuba bamfuna kwabona. Abamfuna kwabona laba bakubo. Ngoba uya over-consulta futhi okwesibili wenza isiqiniseko sokuthi ulalela abelungu phezulu kobelalela abantu abambekile njengabalungu akakhongolose njengesitrasa sika ANC aphinde futhi alalele nabantu abama dlela ndawonye neANC. He does not do that. he just go around and run and consult to the big gurus of this country. Therefore, as a president of the Penguin Nation, I do support ukuthi EFF members and those people abafisa ukuba ingxenye ye national shutdown peacefully and respectfully, allowing the rule of law to take its course where it's due. Ngoba ngeke siphike ezweni lakithi yokuthi sixubile. Kukhona abantu abaqondile, kukhona abantu abaqondile. Khona igebengu, khona amasela, khona amabhara azothatha iadvantage ye national shutdown, a demonstration, a peacefully futhi esifuna sonke njengabantu bahlali baseNingizimu Afrika ukuthi mayenzeke. Futhi okwesibili siyayifuna ukuthi uhulumeni akezwe ngoba ilanguage ayizwa kangcono le yodlame nokunyakaza kwezwe ngendlela thizeni. But we are not saying ukuthi akube no dlame, never. Akungabi na dlame, destroy infrastructure yethu sisebenzele kanzima. Iyakhandwa uhulumeni wobandlululo, yakhandwa uhulumeni kakhongolose ngoba mningi imisebenzi emihle abayenzile. Uyeke nje ukuntshontsha kade bengitshontsha, kukhona imisebenzi emihle abayenzile bakwethu. Amandla umuntu awadliwa kwaZulu. Ziningi izinto eziyintuthuko kulelizwe ezikhona. Lezi ke sikhala ngazo ke ezingathuthuki. Asidile nazo ke. We must demonstrate, and whoever wants to go must go and be the part of a demonstration yokuthi asijabule hulumeni. Njengoba manese kade enza nje evala ama clinic enzani etshengisa imizwa yawo kunjalo. Lokho ngithi mina makwenzeke peacefully and respecting the rule of law. Finish. As the president of the Penguin Nation, wonke lo hulumeni lo khulumayo oba abantu abazama ukunisabisa yabona nje uMalema seyiwinile battle before he start. He has won the battle even before he start. I'm telling you right now, he has won the battle even before he start. Awukwazi ukuthi ungakhuluma commissioner, ukhuluma amaphoyisa, ukhulume ungqongqoshe, ukhuluma wamasosha, ukhuluma wamabhizinisi, ukhuluma upresident, bakhuluma konke kanye kwaya le kwaya cabinet. Get out the kwaya cabinet. Nisabi ingane encane. You don't know politics, you don't know nothing. I can beat you 10 times knowing politics and analyzing politics. uMalema ibhola lisekhwapheni loze libuye nezizwe zekhapha ugijima nani ibhola likuye ekhwapheni uMalema uyanehlula. Look at the whole South Africa is shaking and waiting for Malema's move. He's already won it. Even Monday angavela hlala ngezilutho ayihlalele ibukele TV. He has already demonstrated his freedom both right and his right of protest and his right is freedom of speech and here and well done Malema, well done EFF. You have already showed them bafana bakithi ngithi mina shiphani bafana sewuyanuka Suzan bafana kuyanyuka asibanyele laba izinja ziyakhala manje. As the president of the Penguin Nation, I do support a peaceful protest and everything must be peaceful. Kodwa bengavuma ukusatshiswa abantu, bangavuma futhi ukuzohlasela abantu bengenzi lutho. Kodwa abantu mase bengena ehlathini abantu sebetapa itolo sebenza izinto ongafanele zenziwe, then ke ababoshwe abafakwe ejele noma ke abajeze isijeze sibafanele ngoba lokho kube ngahambisani nomthetho sisekelo wezwe. Izwe lethu siyalithanda futhi siyafisa liye phambili kodwa sithi ayikhale. Iqiniso kube yiqiniso, imashi protest peacefully ayenzeke kungabi khona ama intimidations by our government. This is not a banana republic. This is not a government of Never, we can never allow such stupid and nonsense to happen in our country again. Amabhunu namangisi ngeke kuphinde ukuthi bangabe nalungelo lokukhuluma, bangabe nalungelo lokuhlangana. Thina njengamanje we are living in a democracy. Ziyakhala manje.